In this video, I'm going to show you a really great method on how you can stream the American version of Netflix within Australia that will work 100% of the time. So this is a method that I personally use for my computer and also my iPhone, and I've had no problems whatsoever for accessing the US-based version of Netflix. So the very first thing that we're going to need to do to access the American version of Netflix is to download a VPN onto our computer. So a VPN, which is also known as a virtual private network, essentially just changes our location from Australia to the United States. So this is a very complicated process that happens in the background, but when you do install a VPN, it does it automatically for you, and it literally only just takes one click. So if you want to get started with a VPN, I personally do use NordVPN, and if you'd like to use them, I've got a 70% discount down below in the video description, and it only costs a couple of dollars per month, but it really does open a whole lot of new content available on Netflix, which can possibly even replace other video streaming services such as Stan and Amazon Prime. I'm just going to open up the application here, and once you do have the app downloaded, it will actually connect to your whole computer. So it doesn't matter if you're using Safari, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox. It connects to your whole computer so you can watch Netflix on any browser as well. And as a side note, if you do decide to use NordVPN, it can actually connect up to 6 devices. So if you and your family have multiple devices in your household, then this can connect all of them as well. So like I said, once you do download NordVPN, I just select United States. And then, like I said, it only takes one click, and that will start connecting me to the American-based servers. So I'm just going to go ahead and close that and minimize this. And now I'm just going to go over to my Netflix account, and I'll just show you some of the content that is available on the American version of Netflix. So I'll just go in here. So I'm just going to search for Marvel. So if you're in Australia, you most probably know that we can't access Marvel movies on Netflix. They can only be found on Stan. So if I do a quick search, you can see right away you've got Avengers, Thor, Ant-Man, Black Panther, and also some of the Star Wars films as well. So this is just really scratching the surface as to the amount of content that's on top of the Australian version. So I'm just scrolling a bit further down. You've got Lord of the Rings, Indiana Jones, some Tarantino movies, and the list pretty much just does go on. So I'll quickly just show you the NordVPN app on my iPhone, just so you can get a feel for how it works on there as well. So I'll just make myself a little bit bigger here. So I'm just going to connect it on my iPhone. So I've connected it. I'm not sure if you can see that, if the quality is okay, but I'm currently connected to the United States, and then you can see a small VPN icon on my iPhone, which just notifies me that I am currently connected to the United-based server. So again, I'm just going to go into Netflix on my iPhone and show you again that it does work on an Apple device as well. And if you are on an Android device, it's the exact same process. So I'm just within Netflix on my app within Australia, and as you can see, I can access all of the Marvel movies, or most of the Marvel movies that are available on the platform as well. So if you are looking to access the American-based version of Netflix that will work 100% of the time on your desktop and mobile device, that pretty much just takes only a few minutes to set up, then this is a really, really easy and straightforward process. So hopefully this video has been helpful for you. I'll see you all in the next one.